7 to 12 inches. A light glaze of ice is also possible. Where northern Oneida, Onondaga, Madison, southern Oneida, and Otsego counties. When from Sunday morning through Monday evening. Impacts: travel could be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact holiday weekend travel and the morning commute on Monday. Additional details: a period of snow, possibly heavy at times, will move through the area on Sunday. Snowfall rates around 1 to 1.5 inches per hour are possible. A brief lull is expected in the steady snow Sunday evening, with patchy freezing drizzle possible. Another round of moderate to even heavy snow is then forecast Sunday night through the day Monday. Temperatures will be in the mid-20s to lower 30s through the event. Monitor the latest forecast for updates on this situation. The following is a winter weather